Alright, welcome to the new channel, the Mario and Luigi channel. I really like Mario and Luigi. I want to make videos, so here we go. Making a tier list on all the songs, and I got the idea from this guy, so like, go subscribe or something. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna start. Wait, let me go add a tier. Wait, how do I add a tier? I legitimately don't know. Add row below. Alright, there we go. I don't know. That's good. Alright, so come on. Now, I don't know, this one's kind of a hard one because it's good, but it's not the best. Like, the only thing that's like separating this from everything else is that it's like the first song you hear. So yeah, I'll give it like right in the middle. Probably C. Come on again. So this one's a little better. Probably put it like it's about the same. I don't know, this one's kind of hard. I'll say B. Hopple and Rookie. Now, song's pretty good. This one's actually pretty good. So, I'm actually gonna put this one, like, probably B. Like, above, come on again. Waffle and Calculator. This one, again, it's pretty good. But, like, the GBA sound font does make it sound not as good. Like, not the sound font, but, like, the sound, like, limitations. So, like, it's still better than Come On Again. Yeah, it's below Pop and Rookie. Decisive Battle. Now, this one's not that good, I'm gonna be honest. It's like a 3-second loop. So yeah, I'm gonna put it below Come On. And the last calculator. This one doesn't really have much to it either. It's like another 10-second loop. So I'm gonna put it above Decisive Battle, but below Come On. So that's Superstar Saga rankings. Attack the Enemy, Partisan Time. I wanna put it above. Yeah, like I feel like right here is a good spot. It's like it's pretty good, but it's not the best. There's better. Crisis of the Renegade, red and green. So this is A. This is A. There's no question about it. Like the song is really good, and the loop it's really good too. It doesn't just fade out and fade back in. I don't think any Mario and Luigi song really does that, but it's still really good. So yeah, I'll put that in A tier. Battle with the Bowsers. Alright. Number 2 to the end. So this one, I don't know, it's kind of hard because like it's not as good as another Requiem. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that. Overtune to the end. I don't know. Overtune to the end. I really don't know. I'm gonna put it above Problem Calculator, but below Tech the Enemy. Because in this one, I'm gonna put it on A, but above Crisis of the Red and Green, because that's a really good song. This is really good. Okie Dokie. Now, Okie Dokie. This one's really good. This one's really good. Like, Okie Dokie's a good song. I'm gonna put it above Come On Again in B tier. Yeah, that's good. Showtime. No, I like this one better. I think, yeah, I like that one better than Waffle Calculator. I do. That one goes by right there. Tough Guy Alert. This one goes next tier. It's like really good. Recorder cut out, so my screen recorder just cut out. So now I ranked the. I didn't mean to put that in F, but this is Minion Turf. Now I'm on this. You can just look at where I put the other ones, because I really don't feel like going back. There are only a couple of them, I just don't feel like it, but it's Minion Turf. I'll put it. This one's pretty hard, because it's a really good song. It's not really good. It's good. I'll put it above Victory in the Dream World. You know what? I'll put it above the size of metal. No, and that, actually. And above, come on, yeah, top C. Everyone attack. I find this one just slightly worse. Just slightly. Wait, where? Oh, I don't know why they switched, but here we go. Oh, oops, I'll put... I find it worse than Okie Dokie. Like, all of these Thousand Side Story remake songs, I think they are a lot worse than the originals. I don't know, I just don't like them, so I'm gonna put that one in D. Showtime. I think this one's pretty good. Well, it's better than some of the other ones. Tough Guy Alert DX, I don't like this one at all. I just don't like it. They ruined what was good about it. Like, they changed, like, the melody instead of a flute. It's like this, I don't know, I just don't like it. The Giant Monster. It's just the Giant, but worse, so why wouldn't I put it in F? I didn't like the Giant to begin with, and they just made it worse. Destroy the Dark Power. Oh, this is the first S tier of that game. And A Fateful Clash, people say it's like too slow, which I kind of agree with that, because Waffle's kind of fast-paced guy. So, top A, like below A, I meant. In the final hour. Again, they ruined what was good about the grand finale. So, I'm gonna put it bottom C, like, they ruined what was good about it. I'm actually gonna look these up. Because I had never heard them. Oh no, this is just wow. I don't know which one that was. I'm pretty sure it's pushing forward. I don't even know really. I don't know, but wait, what was it called? This is called Boss Theme, of course, but whatever that one was, that was amazing. Like, I'm not even joking, that was amazing. A battle. I can't. Bowser Jr.'s theme. That's not it. Like, what? Final battle. Alright, this is the final battle one. My my screen recorder keeps cutting out, but this is a pretty good song. Like Charge and Clash. I'm gonna put this one in high B, like really high B actually. Yeah, Battle Brawl. I can't find it. I really can't. No, Fighting Shanty. Now I barely played any of Brothership, so I can just put these three down here. I barely played any of it, but Fighting Shanty. I'm right there. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, yeah. Careful now. This one's pretty good. I'm high B. No, below that, below that. This is hard. You're right there. Alright. This is actually my ranking. That's it. That's my ranking. But, like, and remember to check the description, see this video. It's really good. It's where I got the inspiration to make this. Go check it out. Pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna end it.